Good morning, grade 9. Now, moving ahead with topic 4, let's go for some operations on equal ratios. Now, these two are equal ratios. A upon B is equal to C upon D. That means this ratio is equal to this ratio. So, there are 5 operations on equal ratios which you should be knowing. And sixth one, there is theorem on equal ratios. So, just remember this because few of these are required in 10th standard to solve, I think, very few problems, but you should be knowing these ratios. Alright, it will surely help you in 10th standard. Just remember this 5 and 6th one, nothing more is required. Okay, you should be knowing what are these ratios or how it is used in solving the problems. Just understand, it is very easy. See now, invert and do. Invert means reciprocal. So if A upon B is equal to C upon D, then inverse of first ratio is also equal to inverse of second ratio. Therefore, I have written B upon C. Okay, inverted is also equal to D upon C. Let us take an example. First ratio we will write, for example, 2 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 6. This is also 1 by 2. This is also 1 by 2. Then we can write 4 upon 2 is also equal to 6 upon 3. Isn't it correct? See, this is 1 by 2 and this is also 1 by 2. These two ratios are same. Then these two ratios also should be same. There is no connection between these two. This is 1 by 2 only, but this will come out to be 2 by 1 and this will also come out to be 2 by 1. So these two did not be equal, but first and second ratio, if they are equal, then inverse of them, third and fourth ratio will also be equal. Are you understanding me? Okay. So 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Therefore 2 by 1 will be also equal to 2 by 1. So invert of this should be equal to inverse of this. If these two are equal, that is called as invert and do. Let's go ahead to the next ratio. Now next is what? Alternando. Alternando means what? If these two ratios are same, if A upon B is equal to C upon D, then you alternate it. A upon C should be equal to B upon D. This is called as alternando. For example, let us take easy example. 2 upon 4 should be equal to 4 upon 8. Both are 1 by 2, 1 by 2. If these two are equal, then these two ratios also should be equal. Which two ratios? A upon C. This is your A, B, C and D. Then A upon C means what? 2 upon 4 should be equal to 4 upon 8. Isn't it? Just check. Are these two equal? Yes. So these two are equal? Yes. This is 1 by 2 and this is also 1 by 2. 4 ones and 4 twos are. 4 ones are and 4 twos are. These two are equal? Were these two equal? Yes. See, 2 by 4 is equal to 4 by 8. So this is also 1 by 2 and this is also 1 by 2. Now you may feel that these two are same, 4 and 4. So let us take another example where I don't want to take them as equal. For example, we can write 2 by 6. So this is 1 by 3, which is also equal to 3 by 9. Now nothing is equal in this two. This is 1 by 3 and this is also 1 by 3. So if these two ratios are equal, then 2 by 3, then 2, C will go down, 2 by 3 should be equal to 6 by 9. Check. See, 3 2s are and 3 3s are. This is 2 by 3, this is 2 by 3. Got it? Everybody? It is C. Let's go for next ratio. Now this is componendo. Componendo means what? If these two ratios are same, then if you add denominator to the numerator of first ratio, that will be same as adding the denominator to the numerator of second ratio as well. Let us take an example. We will stick to the simple ratios. For example, if 2 by 4 is equal to, we can say 3 by 6. This is also 1 by 2, this is also 1 by 2. Then see, A plus B upon B, that means 2 plus 4 upon 4. Then 2 plus 4 upon 4 is also equal to 3 plus 6 upon 6. Let us check if these two ratios are equal. 2 plus 4 is 6, so we have 6 upon 4. And this is 9 upon 6. Okay, this is what? 2 3s and 2 2s are 3 3s and 3 2s are 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Got it? It is as simple as that. Okay, you just operate whatever you are doing to the first ratio, you do same to the second ratio. The ratio remains same. Alright. Okay, now let's go for dividendo. What is dividendo? If these two ratios are same, if 2 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 6, then now addition was there, now subtraction is there. You are subtracting this from this. So it is 2 minus 4 upon 4 should be equal to 3 minus 6 upon 6. Check. This is minus 2 upon 4. This should be equal to, this is minus 3 upon 6. 2 ones are 2 twos are, 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Again they remain same. Alright. So I am just taking the numbers and showing you how these two ratios are same. Now this is dividendo. Now combination of these two, that is componendo, dividendo. How to do? If these two ratios are same, if 2 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 6, then a plus b upon a minus b. So 2 plus 4 upon 2 minus 4 should be equal to 3 plus 6 upon 3 minus 6. Let us check if these two are coming equal. 2 plus 4 is 6 upon minus 2. And this is 6 plus 3 is 9 upon minus 3. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So it is minus 3 upon minus 1, which is equal to minus 3. This is 3 ones are 3 threes are. 3 upon minus 1 again becomes equal to minus 3. Is this clear, everyone? Alright. So both the ratios are equal. Have you understood componendo, dividendo, all these three? Okay. Now let us go to one more concept, and that is theorem on equal ratios. Now what is difference? You see, students, here this ratio was similar to this ratio. So if you are doing something to this ratio, similarly we are doing to the next ratio, and then we are saying both are equal. Here also, just see, we are doing something to the first ratio, same thing we are doing to the second ratio, and then we say these two are equal. But theorem on equal ratio is, if A upon B is equal to C upon D, then we get three ratios equal. Which three ratios? Then A upon B is equal to C upon D is also equal to addition of both the numerators, A plus C upon B plus D. Did you get the difference between this 5 and this sixth one? Sixth one is equating the three ratios. Here, if two ratios are equal, then the other two are also equal. Which other two? What operation you are doing to the first ratio, same operation you are doing to the second ratio. And thus, those two new ratios are equal, if these two are equal. But here, if these two are equal, then addition of these two and addition of denominator, new ratio which you are getting is also equal to these two ratios. Let us take example. This is 2 upon 3, which is equal to, we can write 4 upon 6. It is same, no? 2 upon 3. Then, if these two are equal, then this is also equal to the addition of these two. That is 4 plus 2, or I should write 2 plus 4. A plus C it is. 2 plus 4 upon 3 plus 6. Let us check. This is 2 upon 3 simplest ratio. 2 2s are and 2 3s are. So this comes out to be 2 upon 3. 4 plus 2 6. 3 plus 6 9. This again 3 2s are and 3 3s are. We got 2 by 3 everywhere. Okay. So did you get the difference between theorem on equal ratio and all these operations on equal ratios? Operations on equal ratios are only up till here. Componendo, dividendo. This is entirely different topic. Alright. So you make it as a star like this. Draw a line over here and write theorem on equal ratio. Is this clear? Okay. So which 5 operations we have seen? Invertendo, alternando, componendo, dividendo and componendo, dividendo. If something is done to the first ratio, then same you have to do to the second ratio if these two ratios are equal. But theorem of equal ratios, if A upon B is equal to C upon D, then these two ratios also become equal to the third ratio, which is addition of both the numerators upon addition of both the denominators. Is this clear? very neatly write this down in your notebook, all the ratios. Depending on this, we'll be doing our next exercise. Is this clear, everybody? Okay. Please write it down in your notebook, all the ratios. So, problems based on this, we will see in the next video. Thank you.